Is this how you envision the transition to a different operating system? Lowry Solutions can guide your OS migration with a roadmap that avoids all the bumps, delays, and detours. Our technical experts will assess your current situation with a close look at your enterprise apps, hardware, your work environment, processes, and uses for your technology. We'll explore the devices on your network, consumer and rugged, and the way you manage them. Lowry Solutions will map out a strategy for a transition that works for your business, maximizing your investment in current technology, but also looking long-term. Lowry Solutions developers will rewrite or replace your apps to not just switch to a future-proof operating system, but also deliver a better user experience, which means streamlined workflow. With the planning and prep done, we'll deploy the solution in stages, testing as we go. Your OS migration shouldn't be a bumpy ride. Lowry Solutions has the expertise and experience to guide you to successful and lasting results. As a Zebra Premier business partner, Lowry Solutions has the resources of the global leader in rugged mobile technology. Talk to us now about making the OS migration to Android.